G'day! In today's video I've got an Oppo A5X, and with that one I'm just going to show you how to factory reset it. So to begin with, we need to turn it off, and we should be able to hold volume down and power. So volume down and power, and hold, release, and then the bottom here we have recovery mode. So I'll just hit the power button once more, but I think we're loading straight into recovery already. I'll just give that a second to load into recovery. There we go. And we want to go English. Use the volume up and down to select language. And I want to go to wipe data. So use the volume up, volume down. I want to go wipe data. Format data. Okay. And now it's currently wiping for me. And when I turn this back on, after it's finished doing this, it should be back at the initial setup screen. We're going to play the waiting game. There we go, wipe complete, okay, and it's automatically rebooting for me. When we get to this screen here, we might be stuck at the waiting screen for up to maybe 5-10 minutes, but it should eventually get past here and back at the initial setup screen. Hope that helps, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.